you guys for watching my channel. We really appreciate your support. Hope we can go a long way with this channel. Currently it's raining non-stop, so here's a little garage update. Shit, I forgot to record. So we at another property. So we found this that we're taking home, like a storage facility. Whole row of garages. There's 5 of them here. So in garage 1 we're gonna start going through this. We've got some tires that we might use. I don't know, there might be rims on them. We did start backing out a little bit, empty boxes and crap. So we still need to go in there and sort out and see and fix and get out of here. Everything out. But today's chore is finding all the car parts and tools. Moving along, pull the wheelbarrow and the lawnmower out. Removed some stuff here so I can get a bit deeper now. Then some more tires, some more printer kind of things, drawing board, jacks. Don't know what this heavy equipment is. Don't know what that is. Looks like lawnmowers. Escort headboard. So I think this is where we stop, and there's some more gearboxes there. Oh my lord, those are not what I'm looking for right now. Another so yeah, let's get cracking. Guys out, and there's wow, some dustbins, some more lawnmowers, a 2.4 liter Jag block, couches, some rooms, and another block, I don't know of what. Some drive shafts, some bumpers. See, that stuff needs to go to the other house, but it's not exactly what I'm looking for right now. I'm looking for XJ6 parts mainly. So we're gonna continue a little bit more. I'm looking for hubcaps. That is what I'm remember now. Oh, this is the back. Some stuff here. Some shelving. It can probably stay. There's some rims. It doesn't look like the rims I'm looking for. Something fragile. Another cupboard. So I think I'm gonna move on to the next garage. Garage number 2. Back to the roof. Some metal, some wood, some Wi-Fi, some stuff. Here's a rim I want. Some more tires. It might. Yo, that's a fat tire. Some bar chairs. Some magazines. Crap. Crap. Another wheel. TV. Boxes and boxes. So, and so yeah, it looks like I just want to grab those two rims and that there. Number 3, we've got the Blue Jack. Yeah, and another one subframe. This is I think the 4th one I have. Some wheels. Don't think it's got hubcaps on. I can't even get in here, man, without unpacking. Oh yeah, so this is how far we go. We're just gonna lock up again. Oh, this is where the white car is, stored away with a lot of stuff on top. At least I should be able to get to the back of this car if I open and open there. There we go. Oh, all this gas bottle. So there's, this car's got a sunroof. Some more tires. Okay, so this one looks a little bit easier to get out. I just want to look in the boot for those hubcaps. I'm not gonna record climbing over this car. OMG, and here we've got some mite problem again. Cupboard being charred. Into this stuff. Still can't really see what's on top here. The fuck is this thing? Big ass cupboard. Some lady shoes. Some more tires. Some more tires. Let's hope this boot is open. Spider webs. I know the boot is locked. Ah, it's open. There's nothing in there. Okay, so nothing in here. I wanna take, what is it? Spider webs again. Okay, so no, nothing. And then lastly, garage 5, garage 6 I've already unpacked. See, there's a room that looks like some room. Nice spider there. Don't know if you can see it. And some more junk. Just junk and more junk and more junk. Here's some more rooms. It doesn't look like the rooms that I'm looking for. Here's some exhaust piping. Maybe here's something I can use. Maybe not. Because then if we go further, computer parts. All those hi-fi. Some more tires. Key computers. A basin. I don't see. No. It looks like another oven. Here's some more tires. Okay, so enough depression. Let's get back to business. Let's go back home and go fiddle on the car rather than to get depressed here. But as you can see, there's still a lot of unpacking to do. Hey everyone, it's freaking raining and raining and raining all the time. Hopefully we'll get to the Jag in the next video. So we would like to move her up to the workshop, up to the garage, sorry, at the top. Can then start sorting out all these spares and tools and stuff. Guys, I just want to remind you to please subscribe to the channel, click the like button, all those funny things, and stay tuned. We'll be back soon.